How to change language in CoinGecko. So hey guys, on today's video I'll be teaching you how to change your language in CoinGecko. So hear me out. So let's just say you're in different language and you want to change your language here at CoinGecko, and I don't know how you're understanding me because I'm talking English. I don't know, maybe have a captions on or something. But yeah. Anyways, if you want to change your language here on CoinGecko, all we need to do is open up our CoinGecko right here. Once you open up our CoinGecko right here, click on the bottom right corner, like on the profile right there, press on your profile on the bottom right corner. Easy as that. After pressing your profile in the bottom right corner, you'll be located here at your CoinGecko account. So right here, all we need to do is go down till you see language right there. So as you can see right now, we have our language right here. So now what do we do? All we need to do is press on that language right there. After pressing on the language right there, we might choose a language right here, or you can just search it up right here. For example, we're gonna put in English. There you go. All we need to do is press on that language right there. After pressing on that language right here, we just wait for a few bit, and there you go. As you can see, it went back and it shows the English language right there. So yeah, and a quick tip for you guys: if you the language that you want is not there, you can change it at the settings. All you need to do is open up our app right here, then click on not app, the phone, then click on settings. After clicking on settings, click on app management, then choose the app, and then you can choose the changed language. So there you guys decide to do it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions or concerns, you can always type in the comment section below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible and here on Guy Glimpse. Thank you, guys.